I'm Monty Hughes from Duke University, and I hope you can join me for the exciting translational workshop on lower urinary tract dysfunction at this year's meeting of the International Neuro-Urology Society, which will be held starting June 9th in Innsbruck, Austria. Renowned scientists from across the globe will be presenting groundbreaking basic research focused on the different experimental models that are used, the underlying mechanisms involved, exciting new targets emerging, and the surprising new role that the urethra seems to be playing. I look forward to seeing you in the Alps in May.
If you want to expand your neuro-urological knowledge and to connect with experts from all around the world, register now for this in-person meeting. Special rates apply for INUS members and when registering before April 16th. Visit www.neuroeuro.org for more information and to register now. We look forward to seeing you soon in Innsbruck.